Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm excited to review a product that's been gaining attention lately, Vitamatic Glucose Chweble Gummies. These gummies are specifically designed to help maintain healthy blood sugar levels, so let's dive right into my experience with them. First things first, let's talk about the taste. The Vitamatic Glucose Chweble Gummies come in a variety of flavors, including cherry, grape, and orange. I tried all three, and I have to say, they are surprisingly delicious. The flavors are bold and fruity, with just the right amount of sweetness. Now, on to effectiveness. Each gummy is packed with essential vitamins and minerals that support glucose metabolism. I found that they provided a gentle, sustained energy boost without any spikes or crashes. They are also easy to digest, which is a big plus. I also want to highlight the ingredients. These gummies are made with high-quality, natural ingredients and are free from artificial colors, flavors, and preservatives. They are gluten-free and suitable for vegans, which makes them a great option for anyone with dietary restrictions. Here are a few pros that stood out to me. Convenient and portable packaging, perfect for on the go. Pleasant taste that makes taking them enjoyable. Effective in supporting healthy blood sugar levels. They can be a bit pricey compared to some other glucose support supplements. Some may find the texture slightly chewy, but I didn't mind it. Overall, I'm impressed with Vitamatic Glucose Chweble Gummies. They deliver on their promise of supporting glucose metabolism while being enjoyable to take. If you're looking for a convenient and effective way to maintain healthy blood sugar levels, these gummies are definitely worth trying. That wraps up my review of Vitamatic Glucose Chweble Gummies. If you've tried them before, let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews and health tips. Thanks for watching.